Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S11 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find the option which is called Device Care. Then let's go to App Protection and tap on Turn On. Tap on Turn On and tap on Scan Tablet. And now your device will basically scan itself in order to check any kind of malware or viruses or problems which might appear. And basically after that, after the full scan, it will show you the results. If everything is alright, it will obviously show you this information, but if not, if it will find something which is a little bit risky, then it will show you the info about it, and it will guide you through all of the steps, thanks to which you can remove the malware or virus or whatever it will detect. As you can see, in my case, everything is alright. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.